Good morning, students of Room 5. Welcome to your very first mini lesson in mathematics for our home learning situation here. This lesson is brought to you from my garage, and I'm sure that as time passes, I'll get better and better at this, but it still feels incredibly awkward. I have set up this chalkboard here to lead you through what will be work on pages 4 through 12 in your home learning packet. I think you'll find that this lesson is review. It is focused on multiplying and concepts of multiplication and basic multiplication facts. So I am going to lead you through the work here on the chalkboard, and if you have any questions afterwards, please feel free to text or send me an email. Good luck with your assignment this week. Our learning target here is review that multiplication is repeated adding of equal groups. One of the things they're going to ask you to do is they are going to ask you to show or represent a model of a given multiplication problem. So I've put 4 times 3 on the board here. As you know from the commutative property, we could look at 4 times 3 as 4 groups of 3 things or 3 groups of 4 things. I've drawn a picture here of 4 groups that include 3 items each, and if you skip counted 3, 6, 9, 12, you could tell that 4 times 3 equals 12. Another thing they ask you to do is draw arrays as models to represent multiplication problems. So considering 4 times 3, here I've got 4 groups of 3, or 4 rows, 3 rows of 4, 4 columns of 3, demonstrating again the commutative property. On page 4, they also ask you to write equations that match arrays and pictures. So I have put an array on the board. Take a look at it. See if you can tell which multiplication equation would go with this array. So if you count across, there are 3 rows of 6 triangles. So we've got the equation 6 times 3. If we skip counted, we would find 6, 12, 18 items in the array. And down below, I've drawn another picture model where I've got 3 groups of 4 stars each. We can skip count by 4s, 4, 8, 12. So 4 times 3 would equal 12.